gotten everything I wanted. Never had to beg for it, always worked for it. But some days I wish I could slow down, take time away from my own town and run away. I can feel my hard work paying off. I just have to keep going. I can see my dreams coming true, floating right above me, and I can almost taste them. I'm supposed. I won't give up. I won't give up. I won't give up. I won't give up. On hope, hoping that I'm right, and these long nights will shine a light on what I've been doing all this time, waiting for some answers to justify